What up? Good morning, y'all. What's up? What is up? Pull up my screen here in just a second. Yo, what's up, everybody? Happy to have you. Happy to have you. Let's see where we are here. All right, let me share this whole window. If you guys are ready to crush today, I'm freaking ready. I'm telling you, I'm ready. I ended up swinging a Tesla call yesterday, just using supply and demand. I think it's gonna hit my stop at open unless I get kind of lucky. But I'm sharing the wrong thing, aren't I? Apologize. There we go. I ended up doing a Tesla swing. It's probably gonna hit my stop at open, which would be super unfortunate, but part of the game. It's part of the game. Got in it yesterday on live with the Freedom team, and of course, yeah. Again, just what you get when you swing. Sometimes that's just what can happen. But yeah, it'd be an unfortunate loss, but it'd be okay. With that, we could still get triple line for Tesla here today. I was have to see kind of what happens, but I think triple line is still in play. Let's look at what else is on the watch list for a day trade today. I guess I'm long there. I got Microsoft for a potential play. What I'm kind of looking for is what I really would like to see is us come up and hit like supply at the beginning, at market open, kind of come down, maybe bounce from demand up in here, and then push higher. I'm gonna put my just an alert right in there, and kind of that's gonna give me my basis of for an entry, obviously with confirmation after that. It's obviously looking long there. Looking at Amazon, super solid as well. It was something I took yesterday that ended up paying. Kind of had the same thing today, but maybe to the short side. We'll have to see. But I played just supply and demand, but looking at it into today, really it's to the short side. Yesterday was pretty trendy, so I want to be mindful of that. But if we can come up, hit supply, start to accept inside, can definitely put the rotation down, maybe down to something about like right there, that little liquidity area right there. Obviously, get a valid stop, have at least 1-to-1. So leaning more on the short side there. I mean, I'm interested in playing longs too. Obviously, maybe let's make it a neutral. I could play longs too. It's just that in order for longs to happen, a lot of stuff needs to happen, right? I need price to really come down slowly, either stop onto low or bounce, right, and push higher. So really, it could be either way. Meta was a pretty trendy day yesterday. I'm going to avoid that personally. This is all I watched this from yesterday. And then Roku's like an awesome balance theory TLM trade stock. Today doesn't look too great because of that supply blocking us. But let's look at Apple as well. Apple, I think, has awesome potential too. It's kind of that same thing, kind of has that supply in the way. But if we can come up and hit it, start to accept inside, push higher. A good example of that happening right there was Meta yesterday. Meta did that exact same thing yesterday. Oh, Tanner, thanks for the subscribe this morning. Appreciate that. Um, Meta did that yesterday, right? Um, we had supply blocking us. We took it out, accepted inside, and we're able to play the push higher. So it could have been an awesome opportunity there. So kind of the same thing on Apple that I'm looking at today, um, as well as I think Microsoft too. Kind of the same thing, right? Kind of the same thing. So if there's anything else, SPY could definitely look for either way. So kind of a neutral, probably same for Qs. Q is one of the upside just because of where we're opening. Um, so it'll be the same play on ES or in Q if you're trading futures. And then Boeing, kind of the same thing. Obviously, we need to take something out to push higher, but definitely something that's playable. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Is there anything specific you guys are looking at today? And by the way, Tesla can still be on watch today for TLM as well. Yeah, Tesla's looking the rough, man. I mean, it's at 163, not 160, but yeah. No, that would be fantastic. Yeah, really anything like this area of demand, right? Even though it's not fresh, you'd like to see it hold, but um, yeah, anything here is solid is key for bounce. And then the next level would be kind of down in here, right? Just looking higher time, 157-ish. It's kind of the next level there. But we'll kind of see. We'll see what happens. I really thought, I mean, the reason I swung it was because it hadn't hit my target, right? But I really thought with how we were able to make a higher high, and I thought this was going to come up and make a higher high. I really did. Um, I could have cut basically like a little bit for a small loss yesterday, but obviously just didn't. But yeah, all of these setups look awesome. Let me actually get my Thinkorswim ready as well. So what do I have on my watch? I got Tesla. I got SPY. I got Microsoft. Oh, I didn't look at IWM. Does IWM look good? Let me know. I got Qs. I got Apple and Boeing. Yeah. I think that's every. Oh, Amazon. Forgot that. Morning, Scott. Did anyone get a chance to look? See what happens here. Well, so that's what we kind of want to see with Apple. Awesome bounce there. That's what you want to see. That's a good hot start. Let's see what we can do here. So didn't hit my stop, fortunately. We'll see what we can do on this here. Let me reset this. That's for IWM. Yeah, pretty big trend day too. Let's hold off. Would like to see. I would like to see us get above there. And I mean, yeah, like I said, you could TLM this with acceptance. You could definitely TLM it. Microsoft, obviously, we need price to really to come up into here. So it's not doing exactly what I want it to do. So I'm not going to take Microsoft until we come up into there. Apple, we need it to pop out, but I like that's what I wanted Microsoft to do, right? Take it out, come out. Let's see if we can pop out. Let's put an alert there. We might not. We might not. Um, Amazon. Amazon would be the short side here. Let's see if we can get back inside. Okay. Kind of want to with this with price action right now. It's too fast. I want to see boom, boom, maybe a boom, boom. But if we can accept inside, I do like it. Qs, we need to pop out here. Boeing already showing potential. We'll have to see though. buy kind of here. It's kind of weird. It's like I'm going back, like longer, short, longer, short. I don't really like doing that, but not against it. Yeah. Break it this low, truly. Apple just alert. So there we go. Okay. So if we can get a form of acceptance inside, I really, really like longs. Obviously just going to stay on watch, but that's a good sign. Let's see what we can do here on Apple. That's like a really freaking good sign there. And obviously with supply being tested, no longer fresh, let's see what we can do. But I do like that. Let's see if we can get a few minutes of acceptance here. I don't want to miss it, but let's see if we can get some acceptance. I think BA will rotate. If we get a pullback on BA, I'll look to enter. BA just moves so choppily. You got to be careful. Oh, whoa. Yeah, it's going to rotate. BA's kind of hard to trade because it's so choppy like that. Let's get some acceptance inside. I really like it with Apple. Like I just kind of want to see like a low form, right? We'll see though. Microsoft still waiting. Tesla's still waiting. Let's kind of see what can happen. Yeah, Boeing entry was really here, but that's okay. It still had supply there, so I'm going to take it off. You definitely want to look to start looking at Apple now. Again, I want to see that, I want to see a nice like higher low form though, but it's definitely looking that way. So stop is, let's see. So we can like take out this high. That's probably where I'd enter. I want to see that candle close, but it would look just like this. Because obviously this supply isn't sticking out, and this is like a 1 minute supply now, right? And it's not fresh, right? So, let's see if this candle can close kind of inside. See if we can get a candle close or so inside, and kind of go from there. So an entry right now. My stop at 168.58. Yeah, so about 4 contracts should be solid. Yeah, let's see if we can get some acceptance. Again, I just want that confirmation piece. Again, just one candle close inside really isn't enough. If we need to wait for another, if we need to wait for a push higher and a pullback, that's fine too. But let's just kind of wait. It's just no rush. No rush. No rush. Yeah, it's holding for sure. Yeah, let's see if we can get a pullback now. Dang. See if we can get somewhat of a pullback. Might not get it. If you guys got that, congrats. Awesome for you. I'm happy for you guys, but I probably missed out. Contracts aren't up too much, but I'm way too late. Man, hope you guys caught that. Dang, I hope you guys caught that. That was fantastic. That's exactly what you want to see. That's exactly what you want. That's okay, though. Did anyone get that? If you did, freaking congrats. I was a little too slow. Just a little too slow. Awesome, bro. Freaking congrats. Let's go. That's what we want. We want to see people print. Let's go. I love it. Good job, guys. Good freaking job. Taking it off. Good freaking job on Apple. That's what you want to see. That's what you want. Congrats. Super unfortunate I missed it, but hey, that's okay. That would have made up for the Tesla loss, but hey, that's okay. Good job, y'all. Really freaking solid. But that's exactly how TLM is going to go, right? Kind of want to look for that acceptance piece. I really like. I wish this candle close would have been about right there. Would have been perfect, but that's exactly what you want. Contracts went from the contract I was looking at went from like 215 to 250. So it would have been a nice little profit. I was planning to do 4, but hey, that's okay. I'm glad you guys caught it. There'll be more. Anything else I'm missing? Boeing was solid. See, Boeing does this a lot. Like Boeing, you have to be pretty quick. Shopify, don't really like it that much. Kind of a pretty big trend day yesterday. IWM. I think this will rotate, but if we, let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. Let me put my alert in right there. AMD, right? Yeah, they get down in here. Goog rotated. Oh, well. Could play that. That kind of scares me there. This is fresh, so yeah, I'm going to hold off on that. Where was it? AMD. Well, Tesla can go higher. That'd be awesome. Tesla filled the gap. I guess Tesla TLM, right? Just like Apple. So we filled the gap, touch supply. If we can get acceptance inside, could rotate. But you need that acceptance, right? We don't have anything. See the difference in bullishness between Apple and Tesla, right? You really need that bullish piece. That's what you need. So like maybe like a close above here, right? Could be okay. Push up into the top TLM. That could be a good play on Tesla. Glad you guys made some money though. That's awesome. But yeah, that's kind of the move. That would be the move on Tesla if we get that. We'll see. I won't play it probably because I already have. I mean, I guess I could play it. Could kind of hedge. Well, it's going the same direction, so it's not really hedged. There'd be no point for me to really play that. Really good trade there. That would have been nice. What's up, Chris? Just missed Apple, but some people caught it. So, hey, if you guys can for me in this kind of slower time now after the speed of market open, go ahead and like this live stream. Go ahead and like it for me. It's going to really help algorithms, going to help everything. It's going to show appreciation. Go ahead and like the video for me. Really appreciate that. Is there anything else that I'm possibly missing? Is there anything TLM wise that could be playable? Any supply and demand trade? IWM. I think IWM is going to rotate pretty easily. Stop below there. I could have technically gotten in there when I located it, but it could be a lot like Meta yesterday. So I will wait for a real nice pullback. We'll just have to see here. Let me move this up a little bit to get me ready. But yeah, I'm looking for more of a pullback into like that area. I have a nice little 1 to 1.5 R trade if we don't rotate, right? If we don't rotate. I really want to see Tesla push higher. Let's see what we can do there. Microsoft kind of lagging. You could maybe play like the break of this high, stop here into the middle line. You could possibly do that. I don't really like that though. I'm not really a person that targets middle line. Yeah, IWM contracts suck. You could trade the futures of. Well, I guess you probably don't have the futures account, but you could trade the futures of it. That's probably what I would do. I mean, look at that. Look at that difference. Interesting. Interesting. Dang. Had I looked at the future, man, I would have taken that. I would have taken like right here. I'm not against that with how the futures are looking. Let's see. See if we can get filled. I probably missed it. I probably missed it, didn't I? This is IWM, by the way, on futures. Amazon and QCOM. Amazon come back in. QCOM, QQuam. There it is. Yeah, this looks good. So many tickers, man. Dang. That's so unfortunate. Just not my day. Just really not my day. You got econ numbers? Dude, Powell pumps the market, man. Oh, last time I'm looking at the Slack message. Josh said that Powell speaking today. He pumps it though. Powell pumps the market. This is super unfortunate right there. That would have been nice. Yeah. Amazon or Microsoft. Just talking to Jordan in the Freedom team. He's looking for something like this. Just target right up to there. On that break. I like it. I think it'd be solid. Thanks for the subscribe, y'all. Appreciate that. Amazon coming back in. I still would like to see at least this low taken out. But yeah, I like that we're pulling back. I do like that. Yeah, Tesla's looking really weak. Oh, sorry, really heavy. So we'll see what happens. It's just looking really heavy though. Like this is now the third. So, or I guess 1, 2, 3, 4 retest of this demand. So yeah, it's looking really heavy. If I can get that, that'd be fantastic. We'll see. Yeah, Amazon break of that. Let's get it ready. So Amazon would be like an OCO order break of, as long as we don't make a higher high, right? Break of that, stop above the high, target maybe this low there. The only thing I don't like about Amazon is that yesterday was a pretty healthy trend day, but if we zoom out, we really didn't go anywhere, right? So we're still kind of in that balance. Oh yeah, shop TLM. Did I miss it? To the short side. Oh yeah. This looks really good. I need a stop. I need a stop. So I need a pullback and a break. Right. I need a stop. See if we can pull back. The watch list is growing, baby. Let's see if we can pull back. No, we didn't. Okay. There, I got filled on IWM. See what can happen there. Kind of annoying getting long on a. So again, could short like now with that pullback. Obviously, we'd like to see it a little bit higher, but could short that. Amazon could short that. Got filled on this. Let's see kind of what happens. See what happens there. Right at that 50%. IWM. This is IWM, by the way. Yeah, I really like this. I think this looks really good. I think it looks really good. I might put another contract on. Let's do one because the sizing's not exactly right for future. So let's do another contract. All right. Let's see what we can do there. All right. Let's see if we can get that rotation. It might cause me some trouble because of the rest of the market coming down, but we'll see. Microsoft could have a quick scalp with acceptance. I probably won't play that. QCOM just a little bit more down. Shop. Yeah, so Amazon, now with the stop up here, it still works. Yeah, it still works. So what's that difference there? That is a 90, let's just say an 80-cent difference. So I enter, let's just say I enter there. It is a 70-cent. Nice, good luck. A 70-cent difference. Probably QCOM may have just hit entry there. I'm just setting up the OCO. For the break right there. QCOM. I didn't quite pull back. It still could though, but looking good there. If Microsoft can do this, I kind of like that. I kind of like it better than QCOM. Shop looks good too, for sure. Let's see what shop would be. I feel like I'm running in circles right now, going a million miles an hour. So I don't really like Shopify spreads, but oh crap! I think I did calls for Amazon. Yeah, I did. I did do calls. Crap. No, I'm gonna miss Shopify because of that. Try some shop puts. See what we can do there. And then Amazon. Let me get back on Amazon. So Amazon or Microsoft? Can't decide what I want to do. I'm gonna allocate my capital. I like Amazon better. I don't really, yeah. Well, I guess I'm in that. It's gonna hit my stop for sure. We could also just be flat. Let me. Don't like that. Let's see what we can do. I don't want to get oversized in here. See, they're both moving like slow in the directions we want them to go. They're both moving really slow. Could wait till 9 to see what happens. This is unfortunate, really. Didn't get the best fill on shop. Could have gotten a little better, but should be okay. One thing that's gonna suck about shop is a little bit wide spreads. Kind of just want to see like, something happen. Maybe just need to wait till 9. Let me wait till 9 and see what happens. Really could play either way. This one needs to be like a scalp. It'd really be like this entry. And so I don't know. I'd like to see that go higher, but I'd really like to see that go higher. I'd like to see that dump. So let's see. Is there anything that's like bad about this? Yeah, pretty trendy yesterday. We'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep an eye on that. See how Amazon is pumping, Microsoft's kind of just staying flat. It tells me something here. Market's all over the place this morning. It's not FOMC today, right? He's just talking, correct? Yeah, he's just talking. Well, that's unfortunate. Really want to see where I kind of went wrong here. I really don't think there's anything wrong with this trade. Like, I guess yesterday is not the best balanced day, but I don't really think it's a bad trade. Really. I think I'm going to be careful with Amazon because of this and what's happening with shop right now. It's kind of the same chart. Well, that might hit stop too. Might be an unfortunate day. Miss the winner and take 2 losers. Part of it. Just a part of it, man. Yeah, I should see something happen at 10. I mean, you would think, yeah. Yeah, things should move. It makes you want to just put an OCO in right here. And also makes you want to put an OCO in right there. But I think with Amazon, I just don't want data spike to come and like make me enter and then stop me out. You know, that's what I don't want. Here we go, shop. All right, baby. We'll see here. Pre PMI news or ISM PMI. That should mean Microsoft should follow, no? You'd think. Yo. Yeah, let me get Microsoft ready. Shopify will probably hit stop. Oh yeah, Shopify hit stop. Whoa, nice, baby. Love that. Okay, why is Microsoft not moving? Let me get it ready. Heck yeah, on IWM, baby. Kind of weird that Microsoft isn't coming up, but yeah, Shopify hit stop, which is okay. Actually, it didn't hit my stop. I guess I didn't ever have it set. Let me see if I can get a small pullback. I don't want to lose that much, but whatever. Super annoying. Would have been a $100 loss, but awesome freaking play on this. Let's go. That's awesome. What a flip. Yeah, I'm targeting. I have it set to target right below that. But yeah, kind of annoyed with shop. I forgot to put in a freaking OCO, and so my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, but my stop ended up being him here. I guess I was still 1-to-1 kind of, loss is bigger than I wanted to take. I thought I had an OCO set. Microsoft just needs to go, man. Microsoft needs to go. Q-rip. Q-com would have hit. Dang. Come on, Microsoft. Let's go. Pick it up and let's roll. Well, yeah, targeting right there. You really could target a little higher. But, yeah, about $1 move is what I'm looking for. Solid move on Tesla is what I needed there. Let's see if we can continue to push higher. Hopefully it wasn't just like fake news spike. This is going to be off watch list. QCOM's going to be done. It rotated. I mean, SPY's done. Q's done. Yeah, I really think that's the move, though, dealing with IWM is playing the futures of it. Here we go. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Except inside, Microsoft. Come on. I have my OCO set right at 420.21. If you're playing TLM, bro, you never want to target past this upper line. Google is a nice play, though. TLM is line to line. Nothing else. Really nice trade there. Got filled on Microsoft. Heck yeah, Microsoft's ripping. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what we want. I'm up like $50 now. Nice. Let's go. That'll make up for the shop loss. Dude, market really said, let's ride. Yeah, the IWM. Really need VIT. Like, this is just like dragging me down, though. Like, it's just annoying. Really just annoying more than anything. Looking good here. Yeah, that'll make me essentially break even on the day because of shop. All good, though. Really solid. But yeah, don't want to target past because we have supply right here. Don't want to target really past that. I'm targeting 421.12. I might have my target at 0.1. I don't remember, but yeah, made 940 on IWM. Really solid day there. If only Tesla could rip, bro. Well, Tesla bounced, but like, dude, come on. Just get a little higher there for me, pal. Little higher. There it goes. Boom, baby. Target has been hit. Let's go. Let's go. Did y'all catch Microsoft? Now, that one was a lot slower than Apple. Guys should have caught that one for sure. For sure. Let's freaking go, Ryan. Let's go. I'm lit. Good freaking day. Good way to come back from a loss on shop. Again, we'll probably rotate all the way with how this is freaking ripping, but good way to come back from a loss on shop. Again, we were able to catch Apple. I mean, some of us were able to catch Apple. If you guys took shop, sorry. But then, yeah, Microsoft, let's freaking go. Bangers. Bangers. I ended up about break even on the day minus my Tesla swing. So, but again, see that reaction. That's why you don't want to target past that. Just be done, right? Have your size accordingly to where this target here you're happy with, right? My hair's kind of a mess actually. Hey, let's go, run it up. Yeah, so Tesla, I really don't want to keep swinging this, but I might just have to. Yeah, no, you're good. You can hold runners to that top of the range. That's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. That is perfectly fine to do so. And then stop at break even. That is perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. That's a good way. That's really sorry. That's a really good way to play that. Disney's such a weird stock, dude. I'm telling you, it is such a weird stock. Just like Tesla, just wants to go down while the rest of the market rips. Yeah, I was able to. Oh, I guess counting on my options account break even, but with my 940 on IWM, which is awesome. Awesome to see. Let me post that in the profits chat. In the Slack. IWM futures banger. So what did it actually get filled at? Yeah, it got filled right there. There must have been some slippage because I made a little bit more than I was expected, about $300 more. So there must have been some slippage there. Yes, sir. Got to be done. Got to be done. Got to be done. See you, boss. I really don't like this, dude. I really just want to get out. I might just get out. It's really driving me nuts. I don't want to end up losing more than I need to on this. Anything else you guys are looking at? I'm in this AMD swing as well. I'm down on it a little bit, but no, dude, I'm with you 100%. That's why I'm like, dude, I do not like this Tesla trade. We've tested that demand so much. I really just I'm like hoping to get back break even, but I may just have to cut it today. We'll see how the rest of the day plays out with Powell talking. And this AMD swing looking nice. Can't quite remember. I don't know why it's not showing up here. I must have cleared it off, but I believe I entered. When did I enter? I believe I entered. I believe it was like here. Let me see. Because I took that and I got stopped out, and I got back in. I think here. I think I did that. I think that's right. Does anyone else remember when I posted it? Maybe it's in the Slack. I just said getting back in AMD here on the Monday the 25th at 10 a.m. Monday, so it must have been here. Same price point, but right there. No, yeah, AMD looks solid, bro. We'll just need to see. I mean, it just keeps gapping down, like a gap down. I guess this is technically a swing now. Let me take off the day. I don't know. We'll see what happens here, man. Kind of just done with it. All I wanted was price to come up to here. Let me check. I'm coming up. I want the world to know. Rob, are you in the live? My fill was at 2.37. So I got in at 1.95 and then got out at 2.37. And I had 4 contracts. So I made $168 on Microsoft. I don't know what the slippage was bad or not, but that's what I made. So I got in at 1.95, got out at 2.37. Made 42 cents a contract times 4. You might not be in the live. Well, is there anything else that you guys have for me today? And that day's kind of done. I'm just gonna watch Tesla and pray it doesn't hit my stop. Just kidding. But yeah, pray it does something solid. Appreciate you guys hopping on. Really do. It's fun. AMD, let's go, baby. Come on, baby. No, really fun with you guys today. Looks like Microsoft's going to keep rotating all the way through. What you want? Good job, Ari, on your runner. Yeah, this is fun. It's a fun little sesh. Nice, Gabe. Gabe caught Google TLM. Wait, was Gabe Hess? I can't tell. Judy, what was your trade on Uber? Let's look at it. Shopify was a dumb trade. Freaking waste. Just wasted. Was it a day trade or a swing trade, Judy? I'm going to assume it was a day trade, and I'm going to assume you bought this pullback off of open. Am I assuming correctly? I'm assuming you did this. It's like I know you. That's funny. That's funny. Nice little stop hunt of yesterday's close, push higher, break of structure, got in on the 50% retracement. How did you go about finding your target? Just want to help you understand here if needed. Yeah, how did you go about finding your target? Let me put an order in. Install. Got my Coca-Cola dividend yesterday of 83 cents. Gotcha. So really no target. Nice, Santos. Yeah, I remember you posting that. Hey, Judy, I would look for potential target, and I would say really there's really not even supply there. It's like a 1 hour. See how none of this is really fresh. I mean, I know you're day trading it, but I mean, shoot, we might have room to like supply, but we work back through it, right? So this would be like the only kind of supply that we're in now. I think just let this baby run, dude. Truly, let this baby run. Maybe target like this high, be top, or even this high. That'd probably be a good target. 80. Like I don't know if it hits there today, but obviously don't get greedy. Don't give anything back. That's all I gotta say. And then Santosh had a forward swing. I do remember you posting that. It was balanced, right? That's not the right one. Nice, Judy. Good job. This is like a daily balance or higher time frame balance, right? Yeah, really, really. So, what time frame did you find your balance on? Just let me know, Santosh. Want to go over with it on the group? Oh, 30-minute. Okay. Wait, so you were playing the break out of balance? Am I hearing that right? You're playing the break out? Brother? You were playing the break out of balance? Coolio. Awesome. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hop off. Again, if you guys are not a part of the mentorship program and you guys are interested in that, and to trade exactly the way I trade, exactly the way Jordan trades, exactly the way a lot of our students trade, um, just send me a DM inside of school in the vault, or there'll be a link in the description if you want to go back and watch the recording. To just book a call with one of our advisors, kind of walk you through the steps. Other than that, appreciate you guys hopping on. Love you all. You guys take care, and good luck the rest of your day and your week. See y'all.